What's up everybody, Chase back with LittleMind.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how you can make the most money if you're thinking about becoming a Postmates delivery driver. So if you are overall thinking about becoming a Postmates driver, it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side, especially if you're only looking to work during the peak times, whether that being lunch, or dinner time, or into the evening. So overall, those are the best hours to be using Postmates. And if you're thinking about using Postmates, all the deliveries plus tips are great options to make money in the meantime before the next ways that I'm about to talk about, in the best ways I feel like you can get paid by Postmates. The best way to get paid by Postmates is, first of all, starting off with the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus Postmates is offering right now is something special I can offer you guys, and that's pretty much just by using a special referral code, and you are going to be able to make up to $750 just by using that code. And the entire sign-up process is free, and there's no additional cost by using that additional code. So that additional code I'll put here right on the screen for you guys, as well as a way in the description if you want to look at it in the description. So overall, you have to just use that code when you are signing up, and it's overall an easy process to get signed up, and all you have to do is just go through the hiring process with them, get approved, do a little bit of assessment, and then wait for your prepaid card before you can start driving and making some money by using Postmates. So the best ways to get paid by Postmates, there are 3 different ways. So the first way is by the sign-up bonus. For the sign-up bonus, all you have to do to get that bonus is just to complete a certain amount of deliveries before a specified date and time. So overall, a great way to make some extra money. And like I was saying, for that sign-up bonus, it's up to $750. So that's the sign-up bonus that you can expect to receive. It's dependable on the area that you live in, so as well as the city. So the keywords there are up to $750, and it's mainly depending on the city that you live in, and how many drivers that they ultimately need will determine the amount of the sign-up bonus that you will receive when you are becoming a Postmates delivery driver. The second way to get paid the most by Postmates is after the sign-up bonus, and that's by regular bonuses in general. So all you have to do to make those regular bonuses is pretty much just completing X amount of deliveries before a specified date and time. That's pretty much it for all of the regular bonuses. So those are the 2 things that you really have to do in order to get regular bonuses. And overall, in order to get tipped extra, as well as kind of get more bonuses over time, is just by doing good and making those deliveries on time, and pretty much just getting good customer reviews, following instructions, as well as staying in good contact with the customer. So the last best way to get paid by Postmates is by referrals. All you have to do is just share your code with other people, and if they use that code, you'll get a small little portion of that money in return, and by just giving them a special bonus to sign up. So overall, it's a win-win situation for both of you guys, and all you have to do is just refer your friends, family members, or anybody in general that's interested in signing up, and they just have to complete their sign-up bonus, and if they complete that sign-up bonus, you will get paid as a referral for them completing that bonus. And overall, it's a super easy and the best ways to get paid. So in recap, the 3 best ways to get paid are, first of all, the sign-up bonus, which you can use that referral code below to get up to $750 as a sign-up bonus. If you don't, you might get a little less, but that's no big deal. The second way is regular bonuses over time, as well as keeping good customer or delivery ratings for yourself. So the second is regular bonuses. All you have to do is just complete your certain deliveries before a specified date and time, and you'll get those bonuses. And just make sure you guys keep up your delivery reviews as well as ratings. That way you can get tipped more as well. The last way, like I was just talking about, was referrals. So overall, those are the 3 best ways to get paid by Postmates. And if you guys haven't already, subscribe to this channel. That way you guys can stay updated when I post new videos out there onto YouTube. And also click the like button below. That way you guys can send this video out into the universe and help other people out that are looking for ways to make some extra money on the side. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the day. It's a perfect day to be outside today, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace out.